guys, I made it back on the plane. I don't know if you can hear me because I have these masks on. I'm gonna try to take this one down. But I'm on the plane. I got my own row, and yeah, I'm so excited. I think we're going to land at like 11 something, and then I have a layover in Guadalajara, and then I'll be in Cabo by like 3:16. So yes, I just wanted to update y'all, and I will check back in with y'all later. But the festivities have just started. Yes. We got choreography going on here. Oh yes. Okay. Show them the hair. Period. Skin. Hello. Cabo. Oh, period. Yes, we're in Cabo. It's time to turn up. This is Daphne. Can you hold this up? Yes, I'll check back in with everybody. This is not even everybody, but I'll check back in. Hi, Yada. You look so pretty. Thank you. Oh, somebody say yes. Oh, it's the one. It's the sprinter for me. I'm loving this girl. It's the fact that we got a sprinter. Say hey, y'all. Hey. Welcome to my home. Follow me home.
Follow her. Her name is Elise.
Washer and dryer.
Oh, yes. I should have bought some more clothes then.
Bathroom. Full kitchen.
Wow. This is fire. Yes, it is.
Gorgeous. Yes.
Wow. Do y'all see that? Good morning, everyone. I did not do the greatest of jobs recording last night, but last night was really chill. I hope this lighting is okay. The lighting is it feels like it's 10 a.m. I wish I would have like slept at least like another hour, because we are going to be going on Tequila Tour today. So that's what we're doing today. I'm super excited. I'm going to try to get as much footage as possible, but you guys, it's so hard because I've just been living in the moment, you know. But I do want to document this for my own memories and for y'all to see. So today I'm going to try my best to do that. So yeah, I'll check back in when I'm either getting ready or after I get ready and we're about to leave, because we have to be ready by 10, because the guy is coming to pick us up, because we have transportation taking us to the Tequila Tour. So I'll check back in with y'all later. Guys, good morning. We are now headed to our tequila tour. I have on this outfit I got from Pretty Little Thing. Here is everyone. And then we're waiting on Ascari and Destiny.
It's not locking.
But yeah, so you guys, I didn't show y'all this. This is our pool. And then I'll at the end I'll tell y'all what Airbnb we're staying at. But yeah, we're headed to a tequila tour. It is 8 hours. Everybody looks so good. And yeah, we're about to have so much fun.
Now they will take it back to the oven so they can they can get it melted and mixed. You'll see the color and the clear.
Okay, hey guys, so we're at our first stop. I don't know if y'all can hear me. We're at our first stop of the tequila tour. It was like a glass making little show. And now this is like the shop of everything that they've made. And it is just amazing. And it's like so cool to see. But yeah, this is everybody.
Vloggers be like,
Right. Say hey, y'all.
so this was, is that my bestie in the town?
But yeah. Hi.
Experience, we would have never done something like this.
Diakan mana dari
Oh!
There it comes.
Oh my God!
Here it comes in the well. Ding 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 ding.
Oh my God!
Guys, let me remind you, this is not part of your package, so it's gonna cost you. You know, guys, when they deep dive the water, in the water they leave a plastic on the surface that is known as this, the footprints, just like the ones that we leave on the sand.
Drink. La 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 la. Shimmy, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah. Drink. La la la. Dugging in my Reeboks. Ride with a G-Shock. Out her he-shot.
Oh my gosh. Oh no ma'am. No ma'am.
She gonna take your lady. Go, go.
Okay.
I know you lying. Yeah. Are you ready?
Hey y'all. I took my lashes off. We're now we're taking tequila shots.
Oh my God.
Oh.
They got the Hennessy!
Pour it up, pour it.
Yeah, they got the Hennessy! Fuck! They got the Hennessy!
If y'all ever want to try.
Wow. Oh my God. I'm not ready for this.
Cheers.
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 Cheers, baby.
Good morning. So we are at Sir Beach House. We're getting breakfast. The view is literally gorgeous. It is so beautiful here. I'm so excited. I'll show y'all.
y'all want a picture, a group picture together?
Yay! So you guys, lunch, breakfast, whatever, was phenomenal. I had the omelet with beans, I had some fries, and then I had like a cool refresher drink. Ascari got, what did you get? The same thing?
Yeah, except for I also got pancakes.
This gonna make you feel like you're working out again, Destiny.
I love it.
I couldn't finish the pancakes. They were really good though.
Yeah. And our bill between all of us was $452, which honestly wasn't that bad because we got a lot of food. So now we're headed back home. We're going to do a quick change and then we're going to the ATV excursion. We're walking up this hill, which is good because I need to get this body moving. And I'm super excited.
Nah, it's bad because my legs hurt.
Yeah, my thighs is like, okay. But yes, I'm super excited. It was a beautiful view. We were on the beach. But yes, I'll catch y'all later. All right, you guys, we are here in the middle of literally nowhere. And they're already set up. We have like 2 hours and we're going up the mountains. And yeah, I'm super excited.
This lifetime,
Yes, this is
we
the
get
life.
to live.
Yeah,
This lifetime.
Y'all, where's Cabo? Oh, this is everything. Thank you, Chino. Okay, tell us about the tour.
Hey, look, you need to come to Los Cabo if you want to have fun right here, Real Baja Tours, okay? And you need to look for Chino, okay? The spicy chocolate, all right? Adios.
Hi guys, so we are at dinner now. We went to Quivira Steakhouse. It's on a resort. I'm sorry, this lighting is not the best, but I just got the steak and the mashed potatoes. Got this drink. Looks so good.
I'm jealous.
So we're about to try it out, and I'll check back in with y'all later.
You can't eat. Let me see. Just my elbow is charred. No. No, it's charred. Yes. No, it's charred.
Happy birthday to you! Yay! Okay, pause. So I did a terrible job at vlogging, so I didn't actually vlog the day before this. So that day was supposed to be a really chill day. We weren't supposed to really be doing anything. We were just gonna get something to eat, chill at the pool, and lounge. Well, that didn't happen. We ended up going to this restaurant and we turned the restaurant into a day party. We drank, we danced, and we had a really good time. I will insert some clips now. Hey guys, I'm gonna be really quick because there's music playing, but we're at lunch. We just got something small, and then I'll check back in with you later. Okay, bye. But just wanted to let y'all know that I just did a terrible job at vlogging. So here is my impromptu coming in and catching y'all up. Okay, bye. Good morning, everyone. Today we are going on the boat tour. Not the boat tour. We're going on a yacht. What? So we're going on a yacht for Nai's birthday. I'm super excited. We all have on our orange. I got this from Shein. I'm sorry, the lighting is probably not the best. It's currently 9 a.m. and we have the boat from 10 to 2. Super excited. Okay, so we're headed to the dock now. We have a taxi, and oh, you can't see me. I'll catch y'all when we get there. Oh, look, it's the birthday girl.
Hi.
Is there anything you want to say for your 25th?
Yeah, I'm so blessed and grateful for all of my friends and family. I love y'all.
And there you have it. I'll catch y'all when we get back. Hi. Thank you. Y'all, this is gorgeous.
All my baddies, I love y'all so much. Thank you for all the love.
Cheers! Say hey, y'all! Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
You can tell him that you must hate me.
We're back! Okay, you guys. We're done with the yacht. Now we're at so much fun, 10 out of 10. Now we're at, what's this place called? Angola? Abolenga. And now we're just chilling.
This is the place we came to yesterday. Lit. We started our own day party here.
Period. And we're about to
this
do
is
it
part
again.
2. This is part 2.
Hello everyone, I'm back. So we are back from the boat tour. It is, let's see what time it is. It is 8:09. We got back about a couple hours ago, but we were all very, very inebriated. So we just took a nap and now we're getting ready to go to dinner. I just have on this dress from Pretty Little Thing. Don't mind the pile that is on the floor. Oh yeah, we're just going to dinner. I don't know where we're going, but yeah. Oh, I forgot to catch y'all up. So once we left the boat, We spent a couple of hours, maybe like an hour, hour and a half at the restaurant that we were at the day before. And we just had like another little day party. And then we went home and then we took a nap. So just to catch all up. And now we're headed to dinner. And I will catch y'all when we are at dinner.
This fire is gorgeous.
It is.
It really is.
Do you hear the water?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Completely black.
Yeah. All of these are resorts.
This is the river.
Oh my god.
Like ridiculous.
Honestly.
Oh, we're right on the beach.
On the water, right on the water.
What? Oh my god. Oh.
How can you walk without shoes? How you do it?
Happy birthday to you.
Thank you guys.
Good morning, you guys. Today is the last day. We're packing up and getting ready to go to the airport. As you can see, I have my airport fit on, which is this Netflix and chill set from Fashion Nova. That is my all-time favorite thing. I'm so sad to be leaving because it's so beautiful here, but I've had an amazing time. My flight is at 12:27, so we're about to head to the airport now. We're about 30 to 40 minutes away from the airport. It's currently like 8:45, I believe, almost 9 o'clock, so we're heading out the door now. But I just wanted to show y'all my view one last time. This is my view. It's been amazing. I will, if you want, I can leave the Airbnb that I stayed at. It was really nice. It was very convenient because, as you can see, there's a Costco right down the hill, so when we needed to get breakfast and everything, we just walked down the hill and went to the Costco. And luckily one of the girls had a Costco card. The pool, there's three pools. One is like a kiddie pool, and then the long pool, and then you have the second one, and they're all infinity pools. And then you have like little gathering areas. We're really close to the beach, and really close to the arches. But yeah, this is what I was waking up to for the last 5 days. But it's time to go home. Very bittersweet, but I'm ready to sleep in my bed. But I'll check back in once I get to the airport and everything.